guys, today we will now know how to know the or how to determine the orthologous gene of a given gene. You know, the orthologous gene is a gene in a species which is also present in another species. For example, my insulin gene, the human insulin gene, which is also present in the, let's say, a lion genome, that is known as, that will be the orthologous insulin gene. Similarly, my tubulin gene, which is present in the fish, the tubulin gene in the fish is the orthologous gene of the human tubulin gene. So we go to ENSEMBL. ENSEMBL have a very nice format for showing the genes, the orthologous genes. ENSEMBL genome browser. So this is ENSEMBL genome browser. So here comes the ENSEMBL genome browser. You only just have to, the genes whose orthologs you want to know in different species, you can paste it over here in the search bar. You paste it over here, paste it, and we then click the go tab. So here we got the page which contains the information about the Curie gene, the gene IDs which we gave in the search, for which we gave to the ENSEMBL for searching, so that we get the information about that. So here are these 10 genes which we put in the search engine. Now we will get, if we want to get any information about these genes, we can simply click these genes. So the best way is that to keep this page as it is and then open the page of each gene in a new tab, so that their main page remains over here, which will be used again and again. So for convenience, it is always good to open the new genes in a new tab. So open link in new tab. Now it will open link in the new tab. So here you can see this is the PIBF1 gene, a progesterone immunoregulatory binding factor 1. And what we actually want here is that we want to know its orthologous genes in different species. So this is the left column. Here are different entries: gene tree, gene gain loss, orthologous genes. Here are the orthologous genes. So here we want to get the orthologous genes. So we click the orthologous and you will get the orthologs. So here you get the orthologs of these genes of your, so your main Curie genes were from the human, and now you will know that in different species which orthologs of your Curie genes were present. For example, in African ostrich, this is the ortholog which is found in the, which is present in the African ostrich. Keep in mind that we always prefer to get though we consider those genes as the orthologous genes which give you one-to-one orthology. So we will prefer those one, or we will select only those genes as the orthologs here which are showing this one-to-one. So you don't simply ignore the one-to-many or many-to-many. You just select the one-to-one. Fine. Similarly, there are different species. You can also use the control F option here, control F to search in whichever species you want to know about it. You want to know about the orthologous genes. Okay, cat. So we don't have here for cat. We can get for the cow, for example. So it doesn't have in cow. We can find in chicken. So in chicken, one-to-one we find it. So for example, we have a chicken. So we just right click in the chicken gene entry and we open a new page. So here comes the chicken gene for the PIBF1. This is the orthologous gene of your human your human Curie gene. And in this way, you can get the orthologous genes of all the genes which you put in your Curie. Fine. And in this way, this is the way how you can know about the orthologous genes of your Curie genes by making use of ENSEMBL. I hope it will be informative and will be helpful. This video will be quite helpful for you. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.